Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Or if you are new here, a big welcome to you too. I'm super excited to kick off a new series on this channel, Linux from start to end. This is going to be a complete journey into the world of Linux, where we will start from the absolute basic and gradually move towards advanced concepts, step by step, one topic at a time. The goal of this series is simple: make Linux easy to understand, explain everything in a clear and beginner friendly way, and give you enough hands on knowledge to actually use what you learn. Whether you are a student, working professional, or someone just curious about Linux, this series is for you. So make sure to subscribe, hit that bell icon, and join me this awesome journey, because by the end of this series you won't just know Linux, you will be confident using it. Let's begin our first episode, Linux architecture, explained in the simplest way possible. Ready? Let's get started. As you can see on my screen, Linux has layered architecture, which means each part has a role to play and works together to run our system smoothly. The architecture has four main layers: user, shell, kernel, and hardware. Let's go through each one step by step. At the top layer, we have users. That's you and me using the system. There are three types of user in the Linux: super user, also called as root user, who has full control over everything. Next comes local user, who is normal user with limited access. And the last one is system user, who which created for services and background processes. Next comes shell. Think of it as a translator between the user and the system. You type in command and the shell converts into something that system understands, which is converting high language into a low language or system binaries. It's your working environment where you interact with the Linux using command line or scripts. Popular shells include bash, zsh, and sh. Below the shell is the kernel, the heart of Linux operating system. The kernel is a software program that manages memory, CPU, devices, and processes. It provides the required resource to the application and ensures smooth communication between software and hardware. At the very bottom is your hardware, the actual physical machine. It includes CPU, RAM, hard drive, and other devices like keyboard and printers. All the software components above this layer rely on hardware to perform tasks. So let's quick recap here. User, who interact with the system. Shell, translate user commands. Kernel, controls and manage every system resource. Then hardware is the foundation where everything runs. And that's the basic structure of Linux architecture. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple text explanations. Drop a comment if you want me to explain any part in detail. See you in the next video. Thank you.